Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's see one of the question which was asked in various examinations like ISRO as well as GATE. Consider the following program main method followed by 3-4 system calls which we can call. How many new processes will be created, or in other words, what are the total number of child processes created? Guys, for this the simple answer will be 2 power n minus 1, where n represents total number of system calls. Total number of system calls. So what is the value of n here? Total number of system calls are 1, 2 and 3, which means that 2 power 3 minus 1 equal to 7 child processes, or we can say as new processes, or we can say it as duplicate processes. Duplicate process, right? So to know more about this fourth system call, you can go through the one of the video which already explained with the name as fourth system call, so that you can able to solve any kind of competitive exams question. Okay, so here the answer will be simply 7. Right? Sometimes they may ask in different manner, how many number of total processes are there? How many number of total processes are there? Then your answer will be 2 power n. So which means n is 3, so which is equivalent to 8. So total number of processes are 8 for this particular thing, and total number of child processes are 2 power n minus 1, right? So in the particular video, I have already covered the how to derive the formula also. No need to by heart. Just go through it so that you can get clear idea. Hope I understood clearly, guys. Thank you.